This product is Sunrise. Sunrise, the main core ingredient, there are about almost 13 ingredients in Sunrise. Okay, this particular product, Sunrise, is going to be our flagship product. Flagship, meaning anti-aging, health, and prevention. Prevention is better than cure. So we are going to prevent. We're going to give you ultimate holistic approach for health and anti-aging effect. There is apple stem cells, grape stem cells. Okay, there is NMN. For the first time, we have an ingredient in the product in the network marketing history. We have NMN to repair your DNA, ladies and gentlemen. Be proud of it. We have an ingredient we can repair. We can repair the DNA. All this while, the market has been always banking on stem cells. But here, for the first time, we have included DNA repair. We've included something for the energy. We've included something for the physical health. Okay? So I'd like to touch upon the triangle of health. The triangle of health. Very important. The minute you get up, that is sunrise. And then throughout the day till night, that is the maintenance. And then at the end, the sunset is at night. So what's going to happen here is we have created 3 most important products, which is called Sunrise. All right, Sunrise, that is the first thing in the morning. You have to consume the product. So apple stem cells, grape stem cells, we have acai berry, then we have phytocyanin extract, then we have AFA extract, then we have lutein, zeaxanthin, then we have spermidin, we have kale, we have almost about 13 ingredients. So don't worry. I will come once there and I will train all of you how to do, I've trained trainers. I'm a certified trainer. I have trained trainers. So I'm going to do is, I'm going to clone Dr. Raj. Everybody must talk like Dr. Raj, must talk professionally, give awareness to the people outside there. So we start with Sunrise. Okay, powerful product, flagship product. Next product is Colon Guard. Okay, Colon Guard. So Colon Guard is something for detoxification, to make sure that with full of probiotics, it is going to, because 80% of the immune system is in the gut. 80% of the immune system is in the gut. So you will flush all the toxins. There will be no more constipation. There won't be any more bloatedness. There won't be any indigestion hereafter. It's even going to aid in terms of piles, bleeding or non-bleeding piles. So this particular product is going to enhance your colon, the intestine, your stomach. Everything is going to be well maintained hereafter. Then the next one is Sunset. Sunset is at night. So the product Sunset, okay, Sunset is basically for people who are stressful, people who have anxiety, people who have mental stress, mental health disorders like Parkinson's, epilepsy, Alzheimer's, all kinds of related, even for memory power. So even people with sleeping disorders, it is also mental health. Sleeping disorders, insomnia. So you take this product, not only you will feel very calm, you will feel so relaxed, your nerve systems will start getting repaired when you sleep. Okay, peaceful sleep. For the first, you need at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep. Minimum 7, 6 to 8, in average 7. So if you don't get this, the brain starts shrinking. Always remember this. The brain will start shrinking as you age, but if you don't have enough sleep, it will even shrink faster. That is where the Alzheimer's, dementia, cognitive disorders will set in. So we have a wonderful product called Sunset. Then with these 3 products, we have something called Alpha Max for male, Alpha Max for female. Men are from Mars, females are from Venus. Okay, all right. So meaning the male product is not only it's for sexual competence. Okay, it's not for only sexual competence. It is basically for the men's health in general. Men who have prostate problems, men who have, of course, who cannot, the reason being woman cannot conceive might be the man's fault. So maybe it's the sperm. The sperm is not healthy. So this product can enhance, can thicken the sperm, can the Of course, the speed increases the speed, and the health of the sperm will be taken care of hereafter. All right. So the conceiving rate is going to be very high. Okay. So now the chance of conceiving is going to be higher. Okay. So sexual, men health, because men also have, after 60 years old, they have this andropause. We call menopause for female, andropause for males. So men have their own issues. So it will enhance every man's health, especially the sexual part, which is